This is a review of our Ashley Furniture Loveseat in gray, and it has manual dual recliners, so it does go on both sides, and they're very easy to just push back in. And on the back, it is a split design since it is two recliners. And this Loveseat is comfortable. It's not hard. And this Loveseat, it's not too smushy. It is the Goldilocks of furniture. And we love it. It seems to be very durable, comfortable, and practical. We love. It's durable, and we have 2 cats and 1 dog. How it looks here. So it isn't flat on the bottom. And then it angles up